Okay, you can see we got a universal tractor, Massey Ferguson 124 baler, an old bugger. Got another one here, John Deere pulling a Massey 12. We're going to be doing this in tandem here shortly. God damn it, batteries are dying. Well, let's hope they keep lasting long enough for these two to be baling in tandem. Again on Lone Pine Farm, as you can see, here we are, waterfront view down here, very nice. Gorgeous down here. How can you go wrong? Okay, I'm going to come back. Hopefully this is still recording before we drop dead here. Nice little brand new John Deere 38 horsepower pulling the Massey Ferguson 12. An old Universal 1978 all the way from Romania, pulling the 124. Barn in the background. Doug Wright driving the Universal. Dave Pick driving the John Deere. Me, I'm sitting on the back of an ATV relaxing. Till tomorrow when we clean all this mess up that they're making for us.